Chris, if someone leans backwards and they're getting low back pain, is that telling you something, or is that just pretty broad?
It can be broad, but I typically find that the belly structures are glued up some way because if this were all healthy and just completely letting go and relaxed, then they wouldn't have any low back symptoms. Let's see if I'm wrong or I'm right. So right now I'm feeling her lumbosacral trunk, which is her sciatic nerve, right where it comes out of the front of the spine, is stuck. So I'm going to treat that, and we'll see if we can make that 4 out of 10 better. Pull them super tight immediately. Good.
Yeah, that was the rest of it.
Got score.